everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. Thank you so much for joining me today for my weekly vlog. It's always so nice to have a chat with you. And you know what? Fewer people watch the vlogs than my regular tutorials, but I kind of like that because then it just feels like us, right? Like feels like you're my people, right? You're my like inner core, and I so appreciate just having a chat with you. It's so nice, and I love your comments. Everybody's been just chatty and nice, and I love the little community here. So thank you for joining me today. So I'm just going to give you a quick update on what I'm doing this week, what I maybe have got done, which doesn't feel like a lot, and what's coming up. So the first thing, I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing because I pulled this out of my closet. I haven't worn this for a year, but it's the tank top that I've been making from McCall 7386. And it's just such a good one. I made it again out of that green and blue fabric early in this spring, maybe in March I made it again, and I just love it. Today I just layered it over another tank top because I just thought that looked pretty. Oh, and I've got it on with the pink pants that I made from that lounge set a little while ago. So I'm just comfy and feeling summery because you know what? I promised myself that when I retired, I was not just gonna live in sweatpants. I was gonna, well, okay, these are sweatpants, but you know what I mean. I was still gonna try to dress nicely and like enjoy the clothes that I wear, even if I'm just running to the grocery store. Because that's what we do, right? We make clothes because we like to feel good in our clothes and feel good about our clothes. So I'm trying to keep it up. Oh, so I've got a couple of exciting things to share with you. One is that, do you remember when I made that? I was trying to make the perfect white t-shirt and I bought a piece of, they call baby rib. I bought that from a local place here in Vancouver called Our Social Fabrics. They sell dead stock. When I went in with the ladies from the Italy trip, I didn't even introduce myself or anything. Like I wasn't there to be like that, but I just bought my stuff. But then when I made the video, I put a link to them. So somehow they caught word of it. So then they contacted me and they said, oh, we'd like to thank you, I guess, and we want to give you a bunch of fabric and stuff. And they said, you don't have to make a video if you don't want to, but if you want to, that's great. And I was like, sure, I would love to. So let me show you what I got from Our Social Fabric. Now, I just found out that they only ship to Canada. They don't ship to the US or anywhere outside Canada. So I apologize for that. But as I'm making things from what I got, I will find similar things that are available internationally. So wow, this is what I got from them, right? Wow. So what I'm thinking is a little capsule wardrobe to go on the Montreal and Toronto trip, which, by the way, looks like it has sold out. I'm so excited that it's a go. I'm really excited to meet everybody that's coming. 3 ladies from the Italy trip are going to be on that and 12 new people. So we've got our 15. I think there's probably room on a waiting list. If you do want to join, you can still get in touch with Erica. I'll still link in the description. But yeah, I'm excited to go. So that's going to be the fall, right? And fall in Quebec and Ontario. So that's a little unpredictable. It might be like a little chillier. It'll be a beautiful fall, I am sure. So anyway, I'm trying to make a capsule wardrobe for that trip. So a few vlogs ago, I showed you some fabric that I got at another dead stock fabric seller here in the Vancouver area, and that one is called Fab Cycle, and they were these 2 sweater knit pieces, which I just love those so much. I cannot wait to make a couple pieces out of those. I already had this piece in my stash, so that is the start. And also that day I got a cute little gray cardigan that just needed like the placket, the button placket hand stitched on. So I got that done. And I had this one in my stash already. So I started thinking, okay, capsule wardrobe of burgundy and gray. From Our Social Fabric, their fabric of the month, which is what I really want to share with you, is this gray knit. It's called Supplex. It is a synthetic. It's got a high level of elastane in it, or lycra. So it's got excellent stretch and really excellent recovery. So you can make athletic wear, you can make jackets, pullovers, you can make even a dress. I'm not going to make a dress out of this. In fact, I've already cut some wide leg, elastic waist, side pocket pants, which are going to be, I think, really fantastic for travel. From my 2-meter piece, I probably have about 3/4 of a meter left, so I might be able to combine it with something else. But the gray is just beautiful with the burgundy. I love that. And then I got this one. Can you see that pattern? I love it. I think that's so pretty. I do wear a lot of black and gray, and so, you know, black and gray can be like pretty deadly boring, but having like a pattern or a design on it like this can elevate it. So this one, I'm thinking maybe a dress for fall, but I'm wondering if I could do a two-piece, like a top and a skirt that looks like a dress, but then I could wear them separately, which is such a good idea for travel. I don't know if I can find two pieces that I like the look of. I don't know. I make so many dresses for summer. I hardly ever make a dress for fall, but I want to give that a go. And then, oof, this one might be too heavy for travel. This might be just for home, but this is a cotton sweater knit. Oh, it feels so good. It feels like it's thick and heavy and just beautiful. And I think, yeah, I think I could definitely get away with wearing my Supplex pants with like a heavier, I don't know, jacket, sweater, cardigan and skirt maybe. And then the last thing I got from our social fabrics is this beautiful like load-in green. I think I would call that load-in green. It's another cotton knit, but it's like lighter weight, softer. And I'm wondering, like I love this color with black. I don't know if I like it with a dark gray. Maybe. Do I like it with the burgundy? Possibly, but I do love it with black. I know that. So this might not be part of the capsule wardrobe, but it is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. So in the description, I will link to our social fabrics and I'll list exactly what these fabrics were that I got. So this charcoal gray Supplex fabric is really fantastic and so versatile. And it's the fabric of the month for August. And so that means it's half price. So excellent deal. And right now they're giving 10% off to all of you. So if you use the code Catherine Sews 10, you'll get 10% off your whole order. I think, I don't know if it's off the sale price or not, but it's an awesome deal to start with. And if you can get a discount on top of that, that's pretty nice. And I'll be sewing these pants today for my next tutorial video. I have to get them done today because tomorrow I'm getting on a ferry and going back to Vancouver Island, this time with 3 ladies from my old neighborhood. I used to live in East Vancouver before I moved out to the suburbs here, but in East Vancouver, most of our friends came from the friendships that our kids made, right? So my older son's best friend in grade 1, they were good friends for a long, long time. Still are, but now they're thousands of miles apart. But we became friends with his parents. And then she adopted me into her little group of friends. And you know what? They all love to thrift. So it was sort of a match made in heaven. I only see them maybe twice a year, but we always have a great time together and we get together for lunch and thrifting and we have a blast. So we go to my brother's cottage every summer for a few days. So this year they were like, Catherine, are you bringing your sewing machine? Because I still have that dress that needs a hem. So yes, I will. I'll bring my sewing machine. And I think I'm even going to bring my serger as well. And you know what? On Vancouver Island, where we thrift is in Duncan. Duncan has fantastic thrifting. Like it's actually really surprising how many thrift stores there are and how good they are. So we have our favorites. So I'll try to either like take some pictures, maybe even like do some filming while we're thrifting. And then the next tutorial video will be, you know, whatever upcycles come out of that trip. I don't think at this point, I don't think I'm going to be able to get together a Wednesday video. I've been doing like the little extra Wednesday ones. I don't think I'm going to get that together because I'm getting on a ferry tomorrow morning. Unless some miracle happens, I'm making a second hospital gown for my friend Esther. She received the pink one in the mail. She just wanted like a little bit more room kind of under the arm. So I'll show you right now how I just added to that pattern. So to make this a bit bigger under the arm for Esther, I think I'll just come out maybe 1.5 inches on the sides and just taper that right down and on the sleeve as well. Because these 2 points sew together, whatever you do to the side seam, you have to do to the sleeve as well. So I'll taper that down as well. I've got the sleeve folded in half and paper on both sides so that when I cut, I'm actually adjusting both sides of the sleeve at the same time. And this piece is the front and the back, so that's automatically doing both at the same time. Okay, that's ready to recut for her. So that's no problem. If by any miracle I get this cut out today, then I'll probably take it with me to the cottage because it's kind of pleasant work. If I've got my machine there, I might as well sew this up while I'm there. So yeah, I'll try to get this cut. I don't know though. It might be a little overly ambitious because I have to finish those pants for sure. And then the only other thing that I'm going to bring with me to the cottage is my embroidery project that I have made almost no progress on for the last couple weeks. It's just been sitting there looking at me. And so I did want to mention it today though, because I will link in the description to the YouTube channel called The Craft Table, or thecrafttableorlando.com, I think is her website. I want to send a bit of love her way because she's working hard on these videos and I want to kind of boost her a little bit. So check out thecrafttableorlando.com or check out the video series that I'm following from my embroidery project. So the link for that's in the description as well. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get back to my pant project so I get that finished. I'll be doing a little bit of editing at the cottage as well to get you that video for the next tutorial on the weekend. I hope that you're enjoying the heck out of summer. I hope you're healthy and happy and having a wonderful time. And so I probably won't see you on Wednesday, but I'll definitely see you on the weekend and then back here again for another vlog next week. So until next time, I'm Catherine Sews. You take care.